Look at you. What a good boy. Look at you relax. I want you to come over here. Good boy. Let's walk. You did it before I could ask for it. That's a good thing. I think this is plenty wide for us to get through. It's all okay. Good boy. Blowing feed bags are always a good goose. Should we trot? The good news is it hasn't been dug up yet. Ah. Well, that's a sprinkler to water down the arena. Yeah, you're not used to yellow hoses. They look a little familiar to you, huh? Good boy. You come around. What do we do with these at home, huh? Yeah, let's walk. Good boy. It's okay. What? It's just lying down. It's not going to hurt you. Come left. Oh, you funny boy. See, it's the same thing. It's just lying down. Let's go to the left. Good boy. Let's try approaching it from this end and see what you think. Come around. Nope. Come clear around. Come clear around. Come around. That's a good boy. I suspect that looked like a culvert to him. Yeah, from this direction it's not so bad, huh? Hello, little killdeers. I hope to heavens you aren't nesting in here. Alright, we're going to go out, and you have to be sensible about the gate, my friend. You went past it once, you can go past it again. Tires. Good boy. What a good boy. Oh, not only killdeers, but baby killdeers. They're so cute. And so tiny. And they don't live very long at our house because they're ground birds and most of the time, and they tend to get eaten. Just a snack, you know. Now, provided that the dove, provided the traffic is okay, we are going to go out on the road. Yep, we don't want to slip on there. Thank you, God. We appreciate no traffic. crosses the yellow lines without any trouble. That's exciting. Sometimes they can be really stupid about that. I don't know what's coming, but it sounds big, so we'll get off the road. Yep, black tracks in the parking lot. There's an alley. And we'll avoid the alleys because mostly they have big holes in them. Yep, that's a handicap parking sign. We don't need that today. What a big boy. But I still like to make sure that we aren't going to be battling it out with any big vehicles. When we come in on weekends, everybody has their sprinklers going. That always makes life exciting. But this is a Friday. Are you ready to trot? You want a working trot? What a good boy. Now, come on. You live with barking dogs every day. Good boy. Nope, 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 nope. We're not going to get high-headed and stupid. And we're going to go this way because I know there are more dogs this way. Hi, guys. Well, maybe listen to my hands a little bit, huh? Yep, puddles, shadows. It's a tree shadow. You're okay. But we don't have much of those at home, do we? We have a stop sign up ahead, so we are going to have to stop. My goodness, I'd be all over town picking up poop. I'm glad I have this bun bag. Whoa. 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 We have to wait. No, we have to wait for the car to go by.